What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nolimit ZVE-10, and I'm back with another video, and I got
K-Rose. It was my birthday yesterday.
Got 20-year-old K-Rose with me.
21.
20-year-old K-Rose with me.
Can you do something for me?
And we waiting to motherfucking eat. Well, we waiting to get in that toasted yolk. I don't think I uploaded the last time I came here. Yo! Nigga,
I wonder. Yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat up here because.
It ain't breakfast time.
Hey! They pulling a little too close to this car.
Good. I'm gonna get out and beat a nigga ass about this fin.
No, why was we turning around and the white man he doing something? He rolled the window down. He like, we're just turning around. He talking about some, okay, hurry up. I'm like, oh Lord.
Boy about to get a nigga started this morning.
Oh Lord.
On this good Sunday. It was a tornado inside my city the other day. But guess what? I'm gonna be that nigga that bring that bitch back. The nigga better stop playing with me. I'm gonna twist his ass up.
But why would you say hurry up? No, you hurry up.
Good.
Y'all, we just drove by kind of like where the tornado hit at. And
we gonna go back through there.
Some of it looked bad. Some of it did.
It's horrible, bro. We gonna go back through there on our way leaving here because she ain't got nothing to do today. I got stuff to do, but I'm not doing it. I gotta work. But I'm gonna chill today. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna get everybody their work back.
Ready.
Hold on.
21. Can y'all do
Redo
something
red.
for me?
That nigga.
What you putting in your pants?
My dick.
He lied.
I put my dick in my pants. Oh.
He putting something else in that pants. Y'all should help me pick out my little,
Put my dick in my pants.
What you think?
What?
You think that should help me find my new Glock?
Shit, if you want to. Alright, so we just touched down up in the motherfucking toasted yolk.
You can go first.
If you ain't ready, I ain't gonna order. You know what you want?
Yeah, I think I'm ready.
Yeah, man, we just ordered goddamn. They food really be like, they food here. Last night it was regular.
Yeah, it's very regular. But your house set up in Houston is really, really good. I don't know.
I don't know the difference.
I don't either. But I like that.
They said everything way better out of town right there.
No,
Dallas be having fire food. We gotta go back to them chicken waffles was so fat.
Oh yeah,
damn, what was that place?
Tupelo Honey or something?
Tupelo Honey, bro. If you go to Dallas, it's probably it's a mandatory thing to go to Tupelo Honey out there in Frisco or Plano, Texas. I promise you. We ain't telling you no lies, bro. And when you go in that motherfucker, call 2 hours ahead, 3 hours ahead. Really, at the head of the morning when you first wake up, call them folks, cause they be having like a 5-hour wait and shit. Like you gotta call them early. You might get you a little bar seat. We had us a bar seat, but
and the bar was okay. Like they was really cool up there. And
it's not high. It's reasonable as fuck. No cap. It was reasonable as fuck.
Pizza $15.
Right. $15. That was probably like $35, $36.
They got the drink.
The juice and shit. That shit was fire as hell, bro. And I'm trying to tell you, it was like spicy, but it wasn't too spicy. It was fire here. Just try it, bro. Chicken waffles at Tupelo Honey, Dallas, Texas, Plano, Frisco, woo-doo-doo. But shit, other than that, let me see. I'm gonna put y'all on some of this game. Like another place that probably was good, brunch-wise, in Texas. We only went to one brunch place, I believe.
In Texas? No.
Oh, no. That was...
When we was finna leave, we ate at that one place outside.
That shit was alright.
It was good.
Yeah, what was it called?
That was alright. I forgot what it's called. First Watch or something
First Watch or something like that.
Now, that was good. We ate in the inside there.
Yeah,
that was okay.
It was great. And then, say, when you go to Dallas or Atlanta, I think this place like global in a couple cities, states and shit. You know what I'm talking about, where I been getting my burgers and shit. Sugar Factory.
No.
Yes,
You
it
didn't
was.
care about Sugar Factory.
It
You're
was
talking
Sugar
about
Factory.
the Cheesecake Factory.
No, it was Sugar Factory.
Oh, you like Sugar Factory?
For the morning, where I got that burger you and TT went last time, and then we had one by ourselves the first time.
Yeah, but you said, well, they messed up on your burger
The second time they messed up on my burger 3 times, bro. I kept telling them
It was the
well
shake.
done, bro.
It was the shake that was good.
The
That
shake was fire
good.
as hell. No cap, shake will make you want to shake some ass.
Now,
Not me though, huh?
now I'm gonna get those big old drinks. They got those big old drinks, and then they just pour all of it. It's so much you have to take some of it home, but it's worth it. They got that candy too. I love candy. You know, I love candy.
We ain't never got that candy from there though. We gotta try that.
Yeah, we gotta try.
But we suppose we might be going back to Dallas 2 weeks.
I wanted to go on the 14th. Zaza said she got 100 on the Airbnb. Y'all gotta do this. It's good. Lemon water with the sweet lime.
Sugar
It just
water,
make it
bro.
good. It make it good. I got
Sugar
this from my
water.
papa.
Just give me a Sprite. I drink water by itself. But shit here, I don't know. We might end up making a trip to Dallas on the 14th or something like that. I don't really know though. She finna put some hot sauce on what? What is them?
Hash browns.
They hash brown look nasty as hell. No cap. But y'all see how I'm getting down. Pancakes, sausage. Bless you.
Thank you.
But we on the regular degular, man. She got this 3 eggs. It look like
2.
bacon, hash brown, toast. I just got sausage, pancake, and I'm waiting for my motherfucking strawberries. That shit like $2.19. I need them. Hash brown look so nasty. They make my type of hash brown. They too wet. I like dry hash brown. Waffle House. Waffle House got the best hash brown.
Yeah, Waffle House is
There you go. Oh, shit, y'all. They need to come on with the damn ticket now. I ain't even eat out my food.
I ate most of mine.
I'm full as hell,
But
bro.
baby, it's full. Not
Then we-
literally.
We gotta goddamn go find the disaster that did happen around that. And I'm gonna show y'all in this vlog and all that.
Do they have a sports academy close here?
Academy Sports.
Sports academy outdoors.
Is it Academy Sports or Sports Academy?
I'm gonna pull it up because it's sports academy.
It's Academy Sports, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, she can.
Oh, it is Academy Sports.
See our tab.
Yeah, I think I've got it right here.
It is Academy Sports.
I told you. There you go. And that's your tip.
You guys done with these plates? You guys still working?
We do
We
it.
doing? It's so cool.
Everything was good.
Do y'all, when y'all make y'all pancakes with the strawberries, do y'all put the strawberries inside when y'all make it?
No, they don't put them inside. The only thing they'll do inside is like chocolate chips or blueberries because they mess up when you cook them.
Yeah.
Strawberries.
Okay. Hey man, your nigga is full.
Hey. Your bitch 21 with no kids.
You said
21
what?
with no kids. What drink we say?
We don't know yet though, cause you ain't came on.
Hey now, don't tell me my business.
It's cause of her. It all happened like last month.
Don't be telling my business.
It all happened last month. I'll tell your mama, she raped me. Now she got me up in this stove. What's the stove called again? Huh? Sakura. She's Sephora. Sephora. She say it's kind of like Ulta. It smell good as hell in here though. No cap. Facts, it smell good as hell. They got that Valentina.
Smell bad. No, they got this shit in
Replica.
here. They got this shit.
No, that mean this shit fake.
Huh?
She called replica, ain't it?
They got more stuff than Ulta.
Yeah, they do.
They got got a lot more.
This shit look like it's more higher than goddamn old two. I be Dosi Acre Bundle to the grand on you clowns.
That's kind of light. It is a light one though.
That's just. It smell cool. It smell like one of the little wall fresheners they got. You must finna buy some. She finna buy some. Buy the whole goddamn stuff.
No, I know.
You don't know.
I like me some Miss Dior.
What is it? Miss Dior. So this Dior?
This is what I be spraying.
It's that Dior though.
It's Miss Dior. This the one I got.
Dior Sear.
That's the one I got.
Smell red. What that blue one smell like?
This is on the day. This is on by the fireplace. I bet that's nasty. Let's see what this one is.
It might be on some subtle shit though.
Smell that.
I can't really smell that shit. Don't smell good to me. I don't really like it. I really don't like it.
This is the original.
Yeah, I don't think I like this.
I said he funny acting, y'all.
Oh shit, I don't like that one. I got certain likes. I don't know. Not no sweet.
They got some YSL.
Just men.
Yeah. Oh, this is the product that I want.
95 for the little ass bottle. You gotta be rich. It's the rich people leave. Years out Chanel, goddamn. Like
Oh,
it.
that smells fruity.
That shit do smell fire. What that is, that Prada, you. That shit do smell fire. Excuse me.
This one smells good too.
That Prada one smell fire. But that
They got that Tom Ford.
Tom Ford, they got YSL, yeah.
I know, I want to see
Then they got that
that.
man
so
shit.
So we can be matching, you know?
YSL.
You don't want to match.
This the one I got, y'all. I got that YSL blue. Keep it true.
Did you want that one?
Yeah. That one new.
Oh, this YSL too.
That smell fire.
It's this one.
I'm full as hell. What is this?
Oh, this one smells good too. That green one?
Mm-hmm.
It's that one.
Like, how the fuck you spray this shit?
Oh, this smells good though. Don't smell bad.
I can't smell it. Grab one of these then right quick. We're gonna try this shit right here. See what that feels like.
It don't smell bad. Could be a little more mint.
I wanna wear that. That motherfucker shit smell like some bod.
This YSL smells good.
Mm-hmm. Shit, we ain't doing that, y'all. We up here, wherever the fuck this place is. I forgot what she called it. But shit, I'm gonna let her get down looking. Treble spray 0 to 33 ounce.
No, that's not it.
That's a motherfucking small tester.
Yeah.
I holla at y'all in a minute.
I like it so.
Like the matte black one.
I was 16.
This thing. Huh? That is? Why not?
Can we get a pink one?
You need the plain black one.
Or can we get this one?
You're trying to do it wrong. It do not gotta be bedazzled, bro. It's gonna serve its purpose if it's just plain black. You buy it then. Buy that one.
No.
You buy it.
Okay,
Buy
can we
both
get
of
this
them.
one?
If you want.
Or this one?
I don't know. It don't matter. You got it. Since you just insist. You just insist. If you insist, yeah, you got it. I told her to get the regular black one because this one we already got. But she want to go bedazzle, VVS, everywhere.
What's the difference from this one and this one?
The top black and that one white.
I want the black one then. That's ugly.
And it's got that gloss to it.
Why are you just picking up stuff?
What? Diamonds hidden. VVs.
Did you get that blue one? This purple
I got
one?
all these. I didn't miss. That boy don't miss. Don't miss.
That kid.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, we just
I look regular. Okay. I look big.
It's hot as fuck, bro. It's 80 degrees.
We over here at it show is this
Chanel.
we on Chanel.
Finna go look at the little damage from the tornado.
No, I got on a dress.
Huh?
Now my mama asked what your protective boyfriend name was. What you where you going? We're probably about to go look at these damages. What you
From the
doing?
tornado.
You said look at these what? Damages from the tornado.
Girl, I'm thinking y'all gonna go somewhere because you
Shit. We didn't
No, we did. We didn't ate brunch and then we came out here to the promenade to like look at stuff. Went to Bath and Body Works. We went to Sephora.
But shit, yeah, y'all, man, we finna find our way to Rodney Perm or wherever the tornado that hit. And shit, I'm finna check out and check back in. You did? Gone. Is it too bright?
No, Michael.
Y'all, look at this shit, bro. It's washers, machines, and people refrigerators all the way over here and shit. All
It's
these
bad
trees.
right there too. Yeah, that was horrible, y'all. It was bad. Look at those places over there.
That shit kind of made me want to drive back through because we missed a lot of shit right there.
But none of these car dealerships got hit though. I wonder what would have happened if they did get hit.
I want to turn around. I'm finna turn around so they can see. We missed that.
Yeah, that was. And then it's all the way over there, y'all. It's bad.
We're gonna have to go up there.
Yeah.
No cap. Shit. Shit crazy, y'all. It was a lot of shit. Like, that's since I've been born, like over 20 years, I never seen a tornado in Little Rock, Arkansas. It's kind of. Let me see. In 20 years of me been living, 21 her now.
Yeah.
Never seen a tornado hit Little Rock. Like, look at that tree.
Yeah. That's...
Big ass trees, nigga. That tornado tore roots out of a lot of shit.
I didn't even think it could be that powerful. Now, you know, the Hurricane Katrina and stuff like that, I figured that stuff was pretty big, but that tornado, and then right afterwards, y'all, I kid you not, it was sunny outside.
Chipotle. Facts. When them bitches come, it take away all the motherfucking, you know, I don't even know how to get over there. You know what them apartments called? I think we go up this hill, up here, man, go left. But after all that shit happened, bro, it was sunny, feeling good. And after every tornado or something like that, it never fails. That's something that's gonna happen. It's gonna get sunny. Cause shit, the storm and all the storming gone. It come like this. Take your shit just like this. Take a life just like this.
Yeah, they said like 18 people died and about, I know it was about a good over 100 some people that was somewhat injured.
Yeah, facts. That shit crazy.
Y'all, the police is here.
Turning people around, I believe.
I think.
Yeah.
What address are you trying to get to?
It was right around the curve.
At what address?
I can't tell the address.
Then
I
you
don't
gotta
know.
turn around, keep going.
Oh, you ain't got no address.
Facts.
Yes, you can't.
But shit, still, I mean, shit, cool. They got it where you can't even go. These is them apartments that.
Yeah, y'all see that tree over there, y'all?
Damn, these them apartments. What's the name stay in?
Who?
Shania. You have to cut that out, but
Well, those didn't
you can
get
turn
hit.
it back around.
Turn this up a little bit. Yeah, I'm learning how to work this camera a little bit.
That shit crazy.
So they just turning people around, and I feel like I don't know. I feel like the police are
they
feeling
being
stressed, but they being an asshole. They're not
man,
trying
ain't
to,
no
but they being
damn
an
stress. It's
If you don't know, then turn around.
It's nothing but positive energy and woo. But like, be for real. They closing off areas which understood to clean up and woo. But you motherfuckers is being asshole for no reason. Well, it's more professional ways to tell people shit. Like, well, you turn around, woo. Nah, hold on, wait a minute. Because
Technically, we don't really have to. We can go anywhere we want to. We can't stop nobody from doing what they want to do.
I ain't see no yellow taxis, didn't know the address, but I know how to get there. That's
Right.
everything around here, bro. I don't know the address on shit, but I know how to get there. But them apartments probably all just fucked up. But shit, they on some hoe ass shit, so we might not be able to go over there in that area.
But if we do pass, cause you know the Kroger's over there by Rodney Perham,
Where?
that's kind of close
Let me see.
to our place. I know they had it blocked off, but I don't know. When I was leaving my makeup appointment, I seen some of the damage, and it was kind of bad. And then, like on our way going to brunch today, we seen some kind of on the freeway, and it looked bad, kind of.
Yeah. So we finna go to the Kroger on Rodney Perham right quick, and then we're gonna catch up with y'all. We're gonna just try to take y'all with us on seeing. We probably too late, but they doing a lot of cleanup. But we just gonna take y'all with us on the experience. So we'll catch y'all in a minute.
So y'all, we're getting off this exit where some of the stuff happened.
Damn.
Yeah, y'all.
This shit was
Trees
really
is literally
right down
coming
the street
off.
from us.
This is like not even far from ours at all.
I was over there playing and
Look,
shit.
that
We
whole
crossed the water
side.
though. Damn.
Y'all, it's so much traffic. This is so sad. Did McDonald's get hit?
Shit, the Mickey D's ain't, the M ain't for Mickey no more.
For real.
Bro,
Y'all,
this
look
shit
at
just
this.
makes shit look so different down here, bro.
Yeah, it definitely put a toll on how Little Rock looks.
The center's boarded up, the lights, they trying to get all the power back up and running.
Yeah, because some people literally, they power just now coming on.
They got to direct traffic.
McDonald's sign messed up.
McDonald's
Police up there.
really
The
didn't
lights,
get touched.
the lights is messed up.
Yeah, the lights down. So they got to, everybody got to direct traffic.
That's why the police so hot too.
What a Kroger's at? It's that way a little bit.
I think so.
Really can't.
Gas station.
So stuff got hit, but a lot of stuff didn't get hit.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of homes, more so.
They said Kroger's, a lot of workers in Kroger's passed away.
They said the whole Kroger's failed.
Mm-hmm.
I think I heard that or something like that. Then people was talking about the bridge collapsed and people was in the water and shit.
No,
Man, I said people start just saying, motherfuckers just saying shit now.
It's not time.
But they said it was a crack in the bridge.
Oh, look at that tree over there.
We
Police
gotta
is
turn
out.
around.
Look over here.
Look at the other way. They giving out food.
Y'all, that is so sweet that they giving out food and
Got
stuff.
a lot of people.
And I'm glad people not just taking it because they know it's free. They literally saving it for the people that really got hit bad.
Yeah, they really need it. There's a lot of traffic over here too.
Yeah, it is. Police is literally everywhere.
We might have to reroute and go another way.
Yeah.
That's probably why that white bitch was frustrated. That shit, they gotta make sure they monitor all this shit.
Mm-hmm.
On top of the crimes and shit that we be having down here. This shit kind of like a documentary. Like, this traffic goes long ways.
It is. It's super long. Well, y'all, let me show y'all this traffic.
This traffic on this street is terrible. I'm not turning around. I'm gonna have to find another way to go. I ain't even gonna hold you. We need to
Y'all,
find
this is so long.
back to the
None of this
freeway.
stuff got hit, though.
Nah. Yeah.
But, y'all, it's still a line of cars.
Due to the traffic lights, and they gotta, you know, manually be out here doing this shit. See, these lights good. Somebody got a GT63.
Y'all, that traffic is crazy.
Let's see.
Oh, who gonna go that way?
Line long enough.
Yes.
Everybody trying to get around.
Y'all, it's gonna be kind of hard for us to get out because it's so much traffic. It's so much
We
traffic.
should ride through Jacksonville and show y'all Jacksonville.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so
And I think Sherwood too.
yeah, we gonna make the end of this video. Well, this might be a whole nother video. I don't know yet, but we gonna make this like showing y'all what's going on in our city since we got hit by a tornado. I might just make it all in one. But we gonna catch y'all when we get to Sherwood or Jacksonville. Either way, we probably gonna go to both. I don't know where the location's at in Sherwood though, but Jacksonville for sure I know. To where they said it was real bad at. Down here in Jacksonville,
These didn't
shit,
get.
almost wrecked.
What is they doing? Oh. Oh, we can't even go. Police right there.
Somebody must have did this little skip mark shit.
Y'all, we got a little footage right here.
This shit is horrible. All these motherfuckers, they got the military around here though.
Yeah. It's bad. Yeah. These look like it's... Look at their cars, y'all.
This shit bad as fuck over here.
Then they got the army people. Look at that place right
The
there.
guards.
Yep.
That bitch hit him.
Oh, but y'all, honestly, yeah, these do look like only poverty homes. That's kind of crazy.
Facts. They did some shit over here too.
Yeah, over there,
Shit all around.
all over there, y'all.
I know that bitch jumped from over here. I think I seen some shit over here. I don't know. Back that way, like a bitch.
Oh yeah.
That shit weird. I was just hit all like mostly poverty and shit. Like check that shit out. Y'all see this shit right down the way. All these folk with roofs and shit.
All the roofs and stuff is hit, y'all. And over here.
Trenches. They got people out barbecuing and shit. Dude, car so damn fucked. Like this shit real like look like a war zone. Like look at this shit. No doubt. Had trees still on people. Had that house chopped the fuck up. Like That shit crazy. I'm gonna go down here and turn around.
I'm glad they helping. The community is coming together, you know.
We ain't seen no disaster like this in a long time. Like, look at this shit. That shit crazy, bro. That shit crazy. Wings on the Run should have opened up and did something for the community. Everybody love coming over here to eat them.
Right.
But yeah, we finna turn around. We're just gonna do a little drive through. We used to always be around here. Like Jacksonville was the place.
It was the vibe.
Back in the day.
All the time.
They got furniture and shit.
Oh, we should have checked those out.
Trenches. That shit probably cheap.
Y'all, I haven't seen a Freddy's in a long time. Or Fred's. You know the store? Looked like that was the store.
Yeah, it was.
They took that out of Conway after so many years. I don't understand.
We're gonna have a nice little vlog today. What is it gonna be, about 50 minutes? Probably an hour vlog. 4-corner thumbnail. That shit crazy. Like, this shit rough.
The police right there.
Sure.
They're gonna be hot, y'all. Oh, it's houses over there too.
Yeah, I'm not going all the way over there.
Y'all, it's houses on the roof. They lost their roofs over there.
This joint trenches. It takes shit like, it take bad shit to bring that goddamn community together.
That part.
I just wanna, I'm so stuck on, you can't tell Mother Nature's woo, but I'm so stuck on why the fuck this shit only hit mostly poverty. Zoom out. All the way. Like G shit though. This shit crazy. But we finna go and get up out of here. I don't know if we gonna find another location because I really don't know where it said in Sherwood, where it happened at. So if we do, I'll let y'all know, or y'all gonna see. We up here at Academy Sports. She talk about Sports Academy. Yeah, oh, these ain't even shorts. These is though. These bitches say 30. Fuck. They trying to get a nigga. These little motherfuckers, these little boy shorts. I'm about some 30. $30 my motherfucking ass. We can go look over here at some guns. Cause she talk about she want a gun. She don't even know how to shoot a gun.
I do know how to shoot.
How? That is not how. You ain't gonna hit nothing. That's not accurate.
I did this. I'm cocking it back. I haven't even did nothing yet.
You shouldn't have to. You should already had one up. Had one up top.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yo, shit is never gonna sound like that. You gonna go to jail. She say she want a fully. What's that? Oh, that's a bone out her. God damn, that her hard. Hey, they got a little. These hard as hell.
Then I got the little bag over there.
Hold this. Don't drop it.
Boy, shut up.
Can I put it in? Oh shit. Wait. I need a thumbnail. Full body?
Yeah. You ugly. Hold on, do it again. I'm gonna get closer. Okay.
That's gonna be a 4-corner.
With your short eye.
I thought that whole thing hit me in my head. I bet y'all. That boat. Fishing boat, really? They told me I gotta have my fishing license. I don't know if they got safes and stuff. 200 not bad. This something simple. We ain't
200 we can get this one.
one on. Yeah, that one cool too. I don't think we need. Oh, Jeep. Somebody take this hoe with them, bro. We need someone with some pack and some punch. What is it? Touch screen on it and shit. I ain't even looking at the camera. That's hard.
What is this?
You said gotta do what?
I said, now you exactly, but it doesn't say. Is these for big guns?
You don't need that.
No, I'm just saying, I'm asking you, is it for big guns?
Yeah,
I'm not
it would
saying
be.
I need it.
It would be for some hot deals. You would need a double stack, which is small as a double stack, probably 19. That's a 43. That'll be good for you. That 43 double stack. What you think? Well,
I'm
now
thinking about this one.
that one higher than this one. That's a 43X too. That's a Gen 5 though. That's a Glock 19. And that is a Glock 43X Slimline. Don't know what Slimline means. It might be a single stack. But we're gonna see if somebody come down here.
Look, this
You need to
this
see
the
them.
Hellcat that I want.
You don't need no Hellcat. You're not that advanced. You need something nice, simple. Yes, ma'am. These is a no-go. None. No-go. The Glock's down there, though, so that's where you need to be. Or, what is that? TP9.
Oh.
Hold on, y'all.